I think the kingdom has recognized a couple of things. It recognized that digital and the digital transformation is going to be important for the country. But it took more than just saying that. They took the initiative to make sure you get the digital infrastructure, you bring, like bringing more females into the working population, and it was impressive to see the ICT minister's graph, where it's actually higher female participation in tech sector here than in Silicon Valley or in Europe. But that brings new talent into the market. I think also there is a new look at regulation. How do we need to regulate? Bankruptcy laws and some of these boring things needs to be put in place, and they're getting in place here. So I think the kingdom is a bit, it's not only talk, it's actually walk as well.
And 5G, do you see that as the end of the transition into digital?
The only thing we know is technology has so far never reached an end. The head of the US Patent Office in the beginning of 1900 said famously that now everything is invented, so we can close this down. He was utterly wrong. So I do believe we're going to see a lot more. But if you look here, we're on the way to next generation technology as well. It will probably take 5-6 years for that to come, maybe 7. But that will allow us to use new frequencies with even more capacity, more speed, and even lower latency.
And, I mean, of course, famously, people said, why do you need the talkies, for example? and as far as the individual's experience, is that going to change dramatically?
I think from a consumer point of view, you get more speed. If you only use it for video and social media, you may not appreciate that. It's actually the new use cases that's going to come that demand the speed. So if you want to use AR glasses, for example, you need a lot of processing, a lot of data need to go back and forth. And that's where you start to see the new use cases. Or you take AI. We talk a lot about cognitive AI or generative AI. That's a big topic, but it also consumes a lot of data, and that's where the consumer is going to see the benefit.
We're both Europeans. Am I right in saying that in this...
You're British, I'm European.
All right. Okay. Well, I'm an offshore European. Yeah.